Pasa. Lacson. Lacson pass again. Stop. Break at lalapit. Okay, Blue. Nabitawan lang. 2:48 tayo. Ready, Palmer, battle Blue. Receiver pass to number 19. 19 na magpapaba ng bola. 19, here comes. Stop and sending the ball in the back again. Bitawan number 3. Sampu. Ego drop. Passing it to number 44 to Wanyo. Cross at the ass to number 4. There's a whistle. Penalty rep. Penalty tayo number 2. 0. Penalty po. Warning for graduate number 20. Apat ka na, sir. Good. So, pag pumasok yung pangalawa, sir. Okay, connect. Stop. 6 out. Portugal of Hubble at 2:30. 2. Receiver pass to number 2-3. 23 ngayon ang magbabawat binigay at pass sa number 20. Setting the ball in the long 3. Yes, sir. 66, 67. Isa pa kalamangan ng Blue. Solid 1. Isa pa yan kalamangan. Good ball lang. 4 ngayon. Silva. Calling ulit the number 19, Bizda. Binigay kay number 3, stop lalapit. Pupukol, dalawang mama, sasabay nila. Riva na ngayon na pula. Pula na ngayon na magbababa na bola. Choosing number 2, 3, Mr. Kalas. Stop and a long 3. Too short. Rebound with the Blue. Passing number 4. Silva na ngayon. Here comes at Minama. Big and a pointer. No. Rebound again. Tries again. Pero kay number 2, 3 na naman. Kalas. PP hit pass number 20. Pointer. Wala. Okay, same ball. 1:45. Stop the clock na. Our 2 minutes then. 1:45 tayo. 17 on the shot clock. Bounce pass to number 23. A 20 runner. No. Rebound 58. There's a whistle. Down. Pero penalty rep. Penalty tayo. Foul number 4. 44 to 1 yo. Penalty. Dalawa ka namin, Sir Tuanyo. Walang una. Tignan natin ang pangalawa. Jumper ready. 1:40 pa yan. Wala pa rin. Number 2-3. Sawal. Pass to number 4. 1 minute and 30. Both team. Tigisa pa ang timeout nyo. 14 to shoot. Long 3. 2 shorts. Piray. Piray pass again. 20 seconds shot clock. 15 on the shot clock. 1 minute 14. Down to 10 seconds. Wala pa rin rebound. Solid 1. 1 minute and 8. And a pass. Cross. 2-3 Minawa. Break. Pass up. And a no. Pero may penalty tayo. 58 seconds. Number 5-8. Graduate ka na, Mr. Biray. Graduate na po. Palitan muna natin sa number 58. Let's see the 2 shots. Silva, first one is 58 seconds. $68, 66. Dalawa kalamangan, solid 1. Wala pang kalawar rebound sa Venice Open. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. Yes, sir. Deadlock, 45 seconds. 19, passing it to Tumanyo. 40 seconds. Wala rebound red. 34 seconds. Red ball pass. Good. 30 seconds. Pass again. 14 on the shot clock. 25 seconds. Drop. Basket. 22 seconds. Time out. 70-68, 70-68, 21 seconds. Wala lang.